redstone ores here. My cat is obsessed with rocks. He's so funny. He plays with it and plays with it. So, yeah. This is basically just playing with my cat in an update video. So, we have Oscar over here playing with the rock. We have Stripes over here. We have, Sarah, come on. Sarah. Hold Sarah. Come here, Sarah. And then we have Sarah here. And then we're going to go to the barn and see if we can get Patches. So, yeah. I was just listening to my cousin. Here's Patches. I got Patches, everybody. Here, I'll show you a better shot of her. This is Patches. Here, I'll let it down. There you go, Patches. So, yeah. That was just a quick video, and yeah. I'll be done in this video. Bye. Peace.